Today I'm going to show you how you can remove the notification virus from your Oppo Find X3 Neo. So if you see something like that in your notification bar, or something like that when you're trying to visit any site, that means you have a notification software. And you can try to remove it by two ways: system settings and antivirus app. So now I'm gonna show you the first method. Open the settings, then go to the apps and choose app management. Now check the list, and if you see something strange, the app that you have not installed by yourself, the app that you not recognize the name of it, just open it and click on install. Configure it by OK. And in the next step, go to the app list again and open your web browser. Then tap on the storage usage, tap on the manage space, choose clear all data and tap on the OK. After that, your web browser should be free from notification software. But if that way doesn't work for you, you can also try to download antivirus app, so go to the Play Store and look for the best antivirus app for you. I'm always using Avast, so we can launch it now. In this application, tap on the continuous free and tap on the green circle, then choose OK and add a permission to the files. Then go back. Now this scan started, and after that all of the unwanted softwares should be removed from your phone. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave us a like, recommend, and goodbye.